Hello everybody and welcome back to Precious Rides. Today we're going to work on the S10. I'm going to see if I replaced the tailgate that's missing. As you can see, when it came from the auction, didn't have the tailgate at all. It was completely missing. And I'm also going to change these hinges on here that look a little rusty. Really rusty. These ain't that bad, the latches. So I'm going to leave the latches alone. I'm going to change the hinges. I actually lucked out and got found a tailgate in my local salvage yard. It came complete with the hardware. Came with all the latches, the tie downs. Came with the inner bed liner. And to top it off, there's no rust. Usually there's rust around the edges here. But the best part is that I found it the correct color, pewter. So it's a perfect match and I won't have to waste time getting it painted. All I gotta do is mount it. The only thing it didn't have was the emblems, but I found those on eBay for like 15 bucks and they should be on the way. Actually, I think they're here today, so I gotta check my mailbox. So let's get this mounted. These other replacement hinges I got online, they were like 20 bucks for both. It's the driver's side and the passenger side. And then drop the tailgate in there, see how it goes. Passenger side, much different, no rust. And driver's side. Nasty that is compared to this. No wonder the tailgate fell off. So I cleaned off the bolts with a wire wheel. Just take off the rust and clean them up nice so I could reinstall this piece. This is garbage. I don't know why they would let it go so long, so bad. so here it is, folks. It's mounted, looking good. Probably gonna adjust the gaps later on, just a little bit when I repair this this dent right here. Overall, looking good, pretty stock. I love that it came with the inside of the bed liner as well. Not too bad. Paint is dead on. It's another thing I'm glad that I won't have to, you know, do paint and body work on this. And the inside. Now let's see if we can get those emblems on there. Alright. So here are the emblems that did come in today for the tailgate. I'm going to clean them up, put some double-sided tape in the back, and we're going to go install them on the bed. Alright, so I mocked up the, sorry for the noise, neighbors are cutting the grass. Mocked up here the Chevrolet emblem. I put double-sided tape, cut it out nice and neat. Now I'm just mocking it up with tape. It looks like the original was about an inch from the bottom, an inch from the side. So that's what I'm going with now. And this is the S10 part. Also put double-sided tape in the back. Just mocking it up right now. And I'm doing an inch from the side, an inch from the bottom. And from far away it looks pretty good. So I'm gonna go with that. Right there. Perfect. Let's do the other one. Okay, so tailgate is on, emblems are on there, looking nice and stock. Perfect match for the paint. Luckily I won't have to do anything. I think this is a win. There's one more item down for the S10, and I still got more work to do over here. Also on the driver's side, the driver's seat, I pulled it apart. I don't know, the last video you saw, this thing was falling apart. It was just missing 2 bolts. I don't know why they couldn't just put it there. So I took it apart, I put it back together, put 2 bolts in. Now it's working properly. I'm probably gonna just solder this over here. And I'm gonna get a repair kit for the handle, to put the handle back on. That's the only thing that's missing here. So once that comes in, you know, I'll show you guys how to do that. All the S10s, Sonomas, Jimmys, Blazers, they all have the same problem with the seats. This thing breaks off, so they made a kit to repair it. So that's what I'm gonna take care of. And I still gotta take care of this window, that I'm pretty sure the window regulator is shot. So it's coming along. So this 10 is gonna be looking pretty good. I mean, it's already looking better than it was. So that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. So I got more videos coming out on the S10. Also, I have here the old Encore, I'm sorry, Buick Encore. Still have it apart. I gotta get back in here and tackle this. I'm just waiting for this piece that should be coming in on Monday. And once that's here, I could start changing the subframe and pushing that back out to get cut and to put the new piece on there and get it welded in. So again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.